Hey everybody, and happy June. Welcome to the beginning of this 6th month, almost halfway through the year. I can't believe it either. This month, we're going to be talking about event photography. We're going into the summer. There's going to be get-togethers, neighborhood picnics, barbecues, weddings, different graduations will be coming up, things like that. So we're going to talk about how to do some event photography, and this assignment is timed to coincide with many events that you would likely be invited to this month. Okay. There's no secret in this style's name. You're photographing an event. Events can be anything: parties, dance clubs, get-togethers, weddings, and so forth. This assignment seeks to help you recognize how to respond quickly to an event's changing nature, to be on the ready to take good photos when they arise. Your photos should capture the nature of the event, not simply one element of it. Try to take photos of the people and activities at the event. Photograph the setting and the decorations too. This assignment should lead to a set of photos that will convey the nature of the event to anyone who sees the images. That's a key point. So the two most typical types of event photography are wedding photography and things like party, dance club, nightclub photography, where a photographer has been hired to photograph a concert or something like that, okay? So in both of those typical types of event photography, what you're going to do is you're going to try to take photos that record the nature of the event. This applies to company parties, picnics, get-togethers with family and friends, whatever. Anything that qualifies an event, these rules will apply. You're going to photograph a happening. Right, I mean, you kind of have to, that's the nature of the assignment. You're going to record the people. Photograph the people at the event. An event is not just a simple get-together of nothing. There's going to be people there, okay? So take photos of the people at the event. Capture a sense of the event. So if you've seen a good wedding photography album, you're going to see things that aren't just the bride and groom. You're going to see the other people at the event. At the reception, you'll see people dancing. There'll be photos of the cake or the food, the place settings, the way that the hall is decorated, the church. So a wedding is a really good way to think about this. It captures the people and a sense of the event. That's going to be true for any assignment you do for this. So when you go to your event or events, however many you can go to over the course of the month, what you're going to do is you're going to photograph the people there. Get pictures of them so that they can see and remember what a good time the event was later. Get pictures of the things going on at the event, like how it was set up. You're going to a barbecue, food cooking on the grill. That's a good way to convey a sense of the event, right? Someone tapping a keg, good way to convey a sense of the event. So your assignment is to create a portfolio that you could hand to someone who missed the event, and they would say, I really feel like I understood how much fun you guys had at that. So think of it that way. Remember to drop me an @ on Instagram, or preferably Imgur, and I will do my darndest to get some comments back to you. I really look forward to seeing you guys' event photography, and I'm hoping that I can get to see some albums that give me a sense of what I missed out on by not being there. See you guys next month.